Assalamu alaikum dear students. Now I'm here for my second lecture and I hope you people are doing very fine. Today we are talking about infinitives. What are infinitives and where we use it? Infinitives are the one important thing in our grammar, in our English speaking, whether we are writing, whether we are trying to speak anything. It is an important thing in it. So infinitives we describe, it is never a verb. Normally we see an infinitive is a verb, but infinitive actually is never a verb. Infinitive is the addition of to and the base form of verb, means it is the first form of verb. What is the first form of verb with the addition of to as the infinitive? Alright, its definition is here. Infinitive is formed by using the word to before the verb and its base form. It functions as a noun, adjective, or as an adverb. It is mostly put before a verb, a first form of verb, or especially and oftenly it is put before a verb. To, in addition with first form of verb, is an infinitive, like to read. To added with first form of verb read is to read, and the combination of to and read, the combination of to and the first form of verb read is an infinitive. So make you clear here that it is not the first form only of verb. It is actually the combination of to and first form of verb. So then it becomes infinitives, which is commonly used with noun, adjective and adverb. And here are a few examples with them. Let me describe it with noun first. To read is her hobby. To read is a subject plus it is an infinitive here, and is the verb of the sentence and hobby is the object. So here we are finding it the function of the infinitive with a subject as well with a noun. To read is a noun and as a subject here. As we know, the first word of a sentence is as well always a subject. So to read over here is a noun as well and as the subject, and it is with the addition of to the verb first form read as the infinitive also here. So we found noun as an infinitive here and it's functioning as a noun. I hope you understand. Let's see further with adjective how it means infinitive. How infinitive works and functions with adjectives. Here is an example. She has a book to read. By this example, I'm explaining how infinitive is available here and how it is working with adjective. Like she has a book to read. A book is a noun here, and we know it very well that whenever something is talking about and describing or qualifying a noun, that is an adjective. And here read verb is talking and qualifying about a verb, a noun. What is a book? What is a noun? Noun is the name of anything, place, or person, and book is the name of a thing. So it is qualifying a noun. So here a book is a noun and it is qualifying it and talking about it. As she has a book, book is a noun, to read, to study. So read, the verb read is qualifying book. It's talking about book. So this is an adjective, and to read over here as a whole is an infinitive also. So in this way, an infinitive is working with an adjective. I hope you people are clear with it. And now let's talk about adverb. How it works with adverb. Let's check with an example. She reads to gain knowledge and for fun. She needs to gain knowledge and for fun. To gain is an infinitive in this statement, and she is the subject and reads is the verb. To gain is adverb plus infinitive, and knowledge is the object over here. So to read, to gain is the adverb over here, and it's an infinitive also. And how it is adverb over here? Gain is actually a verb in itself. Firstly, without to, it is gain a verb base form, and it is talking about the previous verb reads. And whenever a verb qualifies a verb, it is an adverb. It is the function of an adverb. And now with the addition of to gain is qualifying the previous one reads quality here. So this is because it's an adverb as well, and also the infinitive, also performing the function of infinitive here. So I hope this is clear that how it is functioning with adverb, with adjective, and in the previous and the first one example with noun. Okay, and one thing more I was to tell you about. Here is a note about that. Gerund never comes with infinitives in the same clause or sentence. How? Let's check it with an example. To reading is a good habit. To reading is at all wrong. As per we note, to read is an infinitive. To read is a good habit. As per here it is to read is the subject as well, and it's infinitive also. And it's the use of infinitive in this sentence. And if we even put to reading ing, the use of ing, I hope you have heard my first one lecture as well, in which I explained you that the best form of verb plus ing is gerund. So here I am warning you that never use both infinitive and gerund in a one clause, the same clause, or in the same sentence. As per the combination of both, to reading is a good habit is a wrong one sentence. And if you put to read is a good habit in the right sentence, as per it is the use of infinitive, and in the second and last one sentence, reading is a good habit is the use of gerund, so it's the right one sentence. So make their use proper in their own sense, not merge them with each other. Thank you so much. I hope you people understood my lecture. Please subscribe my channel, that is Shine of Idea. Thanks a lot. I hope you people are learning me and listening me and learning my lectures. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.